How to set up and use the personal voice and live speech on your iPhone and iPad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Apple's personal voice and live speech features introduced in iOS 17 and more are designed to assist individuals at risk of losing their ability to speak. So, if you want to set up the personal voice on iPhone, here is what you should follow. First of all, head over to your device settings and scroll down to find accessibility. Tap on it and then scroll down to find Personal Voice. The option is under the Speech section. Tap on Personal Voice and tap on Create a Personal Voice. Now that you do so, it will ask for your Face ID or passcode. Then after, follow the on-screen prompts such as Continue button, select the language, then tap on Continue. Now that this is done, you will be prompted to a series of text prompt loud. You can select to continue with default phrases or select shorter phrases. Now record each of the phrases that's required. It is required for approximately 15 minutes, consisting of at least 150 phrases. You can pause and resume the recording if needed. Once you have completed all of the phrases, your personal voice will now be available for use with the live speech. You can additionally tap or toggle on the option of Use Personal Voice on all your devices with iCloud and also allow apps to request to use the personal voice. Now, to use the live speech with personal voice, head over to the previous setting page, tap on Live Speech option and toggle on the option. You can now select the phrases that you want or create phrases that you can quickly speak with the live speech. Additionally, you can even use the voices along with your personal voice that you have set up. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.